you? We're going to learn Mirror in the Bathroom by the Beat, or the English Beat today. There's a few different guitar parts which I've arranged for one guitar. We're also in regular tuning. I know there's a tuning situation on one of the guitars on the record, but this allows you to play everything all at the same time, no dramas. Okay, first up, let's learn the very beginning riff. We've basically got E, B, F sharp to G, and then to D. So what's going to happen is you're going to get okay, now that is what the bass plays. The guitar kind of can copy that, so now, you see I'm playing with 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really important that you try and keep positionally, because it does nip along this tune. So it just means you have to move less far. So instead of kind of trying to moving your first finger all over the place, just try and stay in position so that you get 2nd fret. So you're always ready. Okay, and that's F sharp G, F sharp G, F sharp D, 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 or F sharp, F sharp, G, F sharp, F sharp, A. Okay, so that riff happens 3 times. And then the offbeat guitar, 1, is going to do that, right? Now you can hear I've got a little bit of reverb on there. So I'm playing an E minor, 7, 8, and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got a D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, then back to E minor, 1, 2, and then A, 1. Right, and then the second line is E minor, 1, 2, then D, and then back to E minor, and then I had a D6. 1. Right, so mirror in the dun 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 ba ba da ba dun ba ba ba. Okay, now the cool bit. We've got a guitar that plays this. I mean, they're all cool bits. Now, I can hear kind of a slight phaser on there. If phasers really don't appeal to you, don't use one. I am using a cheap phaser, a Morel phaser 90 orange. It's on the vintage setting, and the phaser setting is about 9 o'clock, so it's not crazy, but you can hear it go. It's a great sound. So we're going to play a D sus2. We're going to slide up from D sus2 to E5 over B. So we're going to get this, right? That's the first bar, and then we're going to play D sus2, so okay. Then we're going to play an A on the 3, so 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and, okay, and then back to the D sus2 that we had before, 1 and 2. So that first 4 bars effectively is D sliding up to E, that is the first line. Now the second line is slightly different. We're going to do the same thing at the beginning though. Now this time with the A, we're going to play an A6, which basically means you need your first finger flat, including the high note there, it's an F sharp. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we're going to go slide from C6 to D6. Okay, so that whole line is going to sound like this. Okay, then we switch the phaser off and we go back to playing the verse exactly like we had before. So 1 and 2 and D, E minor, A, E minor, D, E minor, D6. And then we have that riff again with a phaser. Okay, then we hit the first sax solo. Now the guitar here, throughout there's like a kind of just hitting kind of rhythmic sound like that. So that continues, and we're going to play an E5, 2 and 4, then G5, 3 and 5, B5, 2 and 4, and then D. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and is how it's going to sound. And then you do a similar sort of thing, but the chords are E, G5, A5 and C5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Right, so that whole line is going to sound like this. E, G, B, D, E, G, A, C. And that line happens twice. Okay, we're going to keep going, and then the riff comes back in, but the guitar is going to play just 5 chords. So now at the beginning there, the bass was playing, and here the bass just plays. It doesn't do the F sharp G, F sharp G, F sharp G, thank goodness, because it's very hard to say. So we've got E5, B5, G5, D5, E5, B5, G5, A5, right? Okay, and then I've what's called a chorus, and basically we're going to switch between E minor and D. Basically it goes mirror in the bathroom, two. You're my mirror in the bathroom, two. Mirror in the bathroom, but. You're my mirror in the bathroom, but. Okay, and then we play like a regular verse, the chords we had before. D, E, A, E minor, D, E minor, D6. Then we have another interlude. There's a lot of bits, isn't there? And then there's another sax solo with more happening on the guitar. And then there's 8 bars where basically it's bass and drums. And then there is another interlude riff, which you heard me play already. And then it basically finishes off on a combo of E, B, G, D. E, B, then the thing that we had before as part of the interlude riff, right? So E, B, G, D, E, B, E, B, G, D, E, B, and that just keeps going until the end of the tune. So that is how you play Mirror in the Bathroom by the English Beat or the Beat, or, you know. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate you watching. If you like the chart or anything like that, please just go to Patreon where that is available. In fact, charts for every single lesson I have here on YouTube. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.